It's raining outside today, so we're pretty bored. What should we do? I'm really hungry. How about we go get a snack? Sure. But first, we need to get past this door. I have an idea. Stand right there, Mia. Okay? Don't move. Hey, wait, what are you, doing? Okay, if I turn around, I'll hang on to the doorknob. Mia, you can move now. There we go, time to leave. Ugh, this is so hard to get down these stairs. Mia, I found a much easier way. Whee! Kit, that looks dangerous. Well, it's easier than getting down all those stairs. Fine. Whee! That was fun. I know. So we're in the kitchen now. Very nice. Okay. Let's go in the fridge. I'm tired. Kate, you go look for the snack. Okay. Da 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 da. Into the fridge. Oh, this is actually a freezer. Oh, look, some ice cream. And it's just my size. So, let's go get this. Yummy vanilla ice cream. And in the cabinet, here's a cone. Da, da, da. Hey Mia, do you want some of this vanilla ice cream? Sure. Let's get a spoon out of the drawer. And we'll get the ice cream container. Open it up. One sec, opening it up. And scoop some. Add a little chocolate syrup. And some other stuff. Bam, here's Mia's. And here's mine. Yeah. Yum, this ice cream is delicious. Whoa, Kit! What? I just added some stuff to my ice cream. Some stuff like you added the whole refrigerator. Oh, well. Well, I think this was a great way to spend a rainy day. Yep. That is a way to spend a rainy day. Eating ice cream with friends. Well, bye everyone. Yeah, bye.